This is a Christmas coloring book. So it's purely sells at Christmas time. Okay. So since it's a coloring book, we only have one format, paperback. The price for this coloring book is $12.99. So I sell it for $12.99. The royalty I get paid on it is $5.46. So $5.46. I believe this is the lowest royalty out of all of the books. It is. That's like the bare bones that you ever want to make. The page count, it's 100 pages, and it took us 3 days to create. Now, the only reason it took us 3 days to create this book is we did like extensive editing on images. This was back in 2023 when Midjourney was just kind of on its way up and everyone was using it, and the images were not perfect by any means. So we would create the image, and then we would, oh man, it was like, we had a bloody system. And we with the upscaler, and then we would go through and we'd edit the images with Photoshop. Every single one of the 50 images in that 100-page book, we'd edit the images. So it's a really, really good coloring book, right? Like there's no AI mistakes or errors or anything like that. Like we made it really, really good. That was the focus. That was the plan. But this book alone has grossed just over $24,000. It's $24,196. Now the ad spend that we've put into this book is just over $10,000, $10,072. So that's giving us a net profit of $14,124. Not bad for an asset that took 3 days to create, gotta say. Right? The ROI on ad spend is 140%. So not bad, but here's what I want to talk about when it comes to this book. And this is what I want you to kind of keep in mind is this book was part of a 60 book coloring book system that we built back in 2023 Q4 of 2023. And our goal was to publish 60 books in about 8 weeks. We ended up getting, I think it was like 41 books in about like 5 weeks. So 41 coloring books we published in 5 weeks. We had a whole system. We had prompters who were creating the images on Midjourney, and then we had like upscalers. I believe it was Julia was our upscaler, actually. My daughter, it was like 8 at the time or something, right? 7. And yeah, she would upscale all the images for us using like an upscaler program, right? Because it had to be crisp. And then like we had Mariana doing some of the editing, and then we also had 2 editors that we outsourced to as well, just doing final touch-ups and stuff like that. And I think we had one other person for something. I can't remember, but we went through and we hired a few different, like, you know, hire some bad hires and stuff. But like it was crazy, and it was like a full out like organization, and it was really, really cool. It sucked, I mean, but we pumped out a ton of books, and that was the thing. This book in particular, though, it sold nothing that holiday season. And it wasn't until the following holiday season, 2024, that it started selling. And the craziest thing is we never expected it to do this, because it started selling in Canada, and not just in Canada, in Quebec. All of the reviews that were coming in for this book, organically, of course, were all French. Every single review was French from Canada, and it was just blowing our mind. And this book, it was our #1 book for 2024 for Q4, and all of it was French. It was crazy. And like to this day, I have no idea why that book became so popular with French Canadians. I have no clue. And so keep in mind, right? So that was a year later after it was published. And then the following holidays, following Q4 for this past one, 2025, it blew up in the States as well. Finally, right? The good market. And it absolutely crushed it. And most of the income that I reported came from last year. It did really well. But you think this was a book that took really 2 to 3 years to start producing any noticeable or worthwhile income. So those of you who are publishing a book and it's not really doing anything yet, don't lose hope. You know, markets can shift. You can get better. You can learn how to do better ads. That was a big thing about it. Like 3 years ago, I sucked at running ads. So like I was running really bad ads on these books, right? And they were also priced lower. So I had no margin. So it was just like, you know, pissing away money. But last year I was really good at running ads. And so we can run better ads to the book so we can make them more profitable. We also doubled the price of them, right? We used to sell it at $6.99. We sell it for $12.99 now, right? And that's on the low end. I just didn't want to touch the price during Q4, right? Didn't want to jinx myself. But yeah, so a couple other points that I have here is this book is obviously, it's a giftable and it's impulse buy. And that's what you're going to get with coloring books, right? They're giftable and they're impulse buys, right? The conversion rate on this book is only 7.22%. Super, super, super low conversion rate. 36,000 ad clicks with only 2,600 ad orders. So super low conversion rate because people click on it and they're like, no, don't like it. Or, so, but it's something people click on because it's impulse buying. It's the holidays. It happens.